In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Zalora application not working. So if Zalora application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're connected to a stable internet connection, your application should be working. But if your application does not work, there might be some bugs in the application itself. So in that case, what you can do is simply update the app. For that, launch Open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Zalora. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Zalora and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. After you do that, the application will be updated and it should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch Open App Library on your device. Find the application for Zalora and simply long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of Zalora application. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option Storage and Cache. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, Clear Storage, Clear Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache. After that, the cache of the application will be cleared and your problem should be solved. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Sometimes the problem might be in the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is simply long press on the power button. Now tap on the option Restart. After you do that, the device will be restarted and your problem should be solved. Now your application should start working. So that is how you fix the Zalora app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.